In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook story black screen problem or Facebook story not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Facebook app, update your Facebook app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, clear cache, then click on manage space, then click on delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Facebook app. Now log into your account. Now you can see that Facebook story showing. Now I hope that this method fix Facebook story black screen problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.